President, how will you, Mr. President, how will you deal with cabinet secretaries who are non-performing? Sir, I'm here. Will you be giving them a deadline?
Papansin ka talaga sa atin yun.
Sir, good evening.
Mr. President.
Mayor Duterte is a very kind, playful individual. Pag siya pumito, ibig sabihin, he is fond of you. Ibig sabihin, mahal ka niyan, kaya ka binibiro. Hindi po isang pambabastos yun. On the contrary, the receiver of that should be complimented. The fact alone na nagtawanan yung mga tao, ibig sabihin nun, that expression was meant to be a joke and also as a compliment.
Malayo ang tingin